Hello, testing. Hello. Okay, so is it recording? All right. So here is the application for the Sinatra module that I am building. I'm just gonna show what it's gonna do. I'm not gonna talk about the code. Maybe in another video probably. But for right now, I'm just gonna show what is it gonna do. I believe it's about 80%, 90% done. Just have to add like some little bit of logic for something and it should be kind of completed. Okay, so right now this is the home page. Basically, whenever you open the website, it's going to bring you here. Um, like we have a sign up and a login and then browse. So if we are not signed up for the website, we can go and look at all the videos that are here. If we go back and we're not signed up, it's just going to take us back here. So that's for one, I guess. If we go to sign up, it'll take us over here and it'll say, please sign up to be able to log in and use application features. We can go back from here. We can try to log in. If we are trying to log in and we don't have a user, so this is not going to be a user, or the password is going to be wrong. And then what's going to happen is going to let us know that the password or username is incorrect. Click back and sign up or log in. So we're going to click back, and then we're going to go and say no password, and we're going to try to submit. It's going to do the same thing. So now we're going to go to sign up, and we're going to put in our name. So let me put David. Email. Well, first off, we'll try to do it this way. No email or password, and if we hit submit, let's see what's going to happen here. It's just going to refresh, and it's going to basically let us know that. Well, it's not going to let us know anything, but it's just going to take us here because we haven't filled the parameters. So, anyways, we're going to sign up right now. So I'm going to put the password. It's 4 zeros, and then submit. And then after we do this, it's just going to automatically log us in. So we're going to be logged in as David. We're going to log out and log back in. So the logout button doesn't show over here. There's a logic that will kind of like make it only show if the user is signed in. So anyways, we're going to log in, and then we get David, and then 4 zeros. And submit. All right, so here we go. So we are David right now. We can browse all videos. So these are all the videos that are in here. It's only one video for now. There's also comments. So this is a comment on the video with whomever the user that commented on it. This user made 2 comments, I guess. Let's try to put a comment. So we're gonna put a comment here. David, and I am commenting on this video. And then submit. So David, hello, my name is David and I'm commenting on this video. So far so good. If we hit home here from here, and this is going to reroute us to this specific user's video page, where we can see all the videos that this user particularly posted. Now how this works is we're about to add a video. So when we hit add video over here, it's going to ask us for the video name, and it's going to tell us some logic here to actually upload the video. So how this application works, it's going to take the videos from YouTube and store them in a database. So we're going to say first off, there's here it's these are just links to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if I click over here, it's going to open a link to YouTube, which will make it easier for me to like, for say, use the application. So I'm going to open this video over here, and I'm going to go back. And it's going to tell me right click on any YouTube video, copy embedded code, and paste it below to upload. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to copy the embedded code, and then I'm going to go back, and then I'm just going to paste it. And then I'm going to name it something like Goku Dragon Balls. Okay. So, and then I'm going to hit submit. And then David should have a video now, right here. And then I can edit this video, and I can delete this video, and I'll show this here in a little bit. Anyways, so if I play, well, it's gonna play if we have shotgun, or if it's not like protected from Facebook, I guess. So we can do here. Let's do this way. I'll make this work for you guys. I promise. 1 second. I'm gonna exit out of it, and I'm just gonna go on here. Log in as David again. Play, and it should play now. So let's see. So yeah, it's playing. I can delete it. So now it's gone. Boom, disappeared. I can add another video, or as many videos as you guys want. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna add the same one. I think re-add it. Oops. Okay, I added something different. Let's see. Okay, something is broken here. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. Anyways, though, well, we added a video. Let's let us see all of it. Okay, so we can see all the videos now from here. Okay. This is weird. Let's see, why does this happen? Okay, I figured it out. It was a CSS issue. I'm sorry about that. So now if we want to delete it, we can delete it. Okay, so I'm still David. So if I go to see all the videos, we only have the 2 videos, and these are different videos, but they're the same, but they're different. Like they're, I guess, the same as in from YouTube, the same, but the different as in every ID and parameter is, you know, the name is different, and then the comments for this one are different from this one. So let's see what else I can do over here. I'm going to log out and log in as another user. I'll log in as my user that I made before. So this is the video for this user, Anise, which is me. And I'm going to go ahead and add a video. Since I've been playing with this a lot, there's a bunch of stuff that is like saved, so I'm just gonna pick. But usually, if you go to any YouTube and just copy paste whatever you want, it'll be the same. It'll work. Let's just do this here. So we'll just copy it, and then here's a video. Oh, let's show the edit. So edit video. It's just gonna take us to the same. basically to add the crowd, but with the same form almost. And we can just let's find a Pokemon video. Uh, and then I don't know what that was, but anyways, so here we go. It edited the video. So now if I go to browse all videos, it's gonna show it over here instead of the old one. Oh, if I delete a video, all the comments on it will be deleted as well. So like it won't show like an empty something and a bunch of like text. It won't show that. So let's see. I want to comment on here. So it'll show me my comment. What else? Oh, also the numbers over here is just I was just testing something, so I wanted to see like the numbers, like the IDs of the video. So just ignore that. It shouldn't be there anyways for now. But yeah, this should be like video ID number 8 basically. So if I put a new video, it's gonna have ID number 9. So here I'll show you. So if I go home and I go add video, whatever video, and then submit, and then just go browse all of it, it's gonna say 9, and yeah, that's why. So anyways, this is so far what I have. I just need some logic to be able to delete the comment on its own or edit it, which is not gonna be that hard to do. Other than that though, yeah, so if you own these videos as a user, you're able to delete and edit them, and you can delete or edit any other person's video as such as suggested in the project requirement. And then, as the logic goes, if you're not even signed in, you can see the videos. You just can't like delete anything. You can't comment. So if I try to comment on here, it's going to take me to the sign up route. It's not going to let me comment. Which how the logic goes, because the comment logic needs a user ID to figure out which comment is belonging to which video. So if we don't have that, then it's gonna break everything. So that's why that's there. So I figured you just redirect them to the sign up page. But anyways, so far so good. Let me know if you guys like it. Any constructive criticism would be more than appreciated. Just I didn't want to put these in like whatchamacallit, like here above to where it's like a menu or whatever, because there's not really a lot of buttons to click in this application. It's very simple. There's like 3 main things: the user, the video, and the comments. And it's really not worth to do a big menu that does a bunch of stuff. So I just figured I'd keep it simple. But anyways, yeah, just let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's it for now. If you can think of anything that that I can add, just let me know. Oh, also, I just wanted to show one more thing. Basically, when you go on the comments here, it should show a date. Now, there's like, I'm not sure why it's not showing it. The code for it should be date.today or whatever, and it should just take the date from here and then display it somewhere. But instead in the database, it's just showing it null. So I have to figure that one out as well. But it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, if I show the code for it real quick, so if anybody has an idea of what am I doing wrong, then maybe you can let me know. Let's see. Where was that thing? Oh yeah, it's gonna be in here. Okay, so it's gonna be this one. Oops, I suck at using this editor still. So, anyways, so in the params, there's a date param. Okay, so let's do something real quick. Let's do open How do you open? Okay, split open, and then over here I want to open. Where did I show them? Show them over here. No, the scheme. I wanted to. Okay, so okay, here we go. So t.date is date, and over here, date param is date.today, which should give us, according to Ruby, the today's date. But instead, if I open the date, when I open the database, which let's just show all of it. Why not? If I open the database over here, let's see. There we go. Okay, so if I open this, browse data, if I go to the comments, then all the dates are going to show in null. So that's the problem. That's why I didn't even bother to like ERB it out or basically show it or whatever, because it's just saying null. So I'm not really sure why it's doing that. So I had that to figure out, and the I guess the logic for deleting comments and editing them. I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do this one yet, but I'll probably figure out. And then if I do and somebody needs help with it, then I'll let you guys. You just ask me, and I'll let you guys know what I did. But other than that, yeah, this is the application. It's a bunch of code. It's it was it's I mean it took forever, really. It took forever, but um, it's good. It's a very good learning experience. It's a very good learning experience, and you can't really memorize all this stuff. Like you have to do it in bits and pieces, and that would be my advice to the people who are still like working on it. But anyways, yeah. So that was that, and I hope everybody's having a good day today, and I'll see you guys in class.